Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 and Apple iPhone X and find out the best one. The Galaxy S10 has a larger size Super AMOLED display with much higher pixels than iPhone X. However, both devices have a super amazing display. Both devices have almost the same thickness. Although Samsung Galaxy S10 front camera is expected to be 8MP, while the iPhone X camera is 7MP. But still, Apple camera is loved by their audience for its performance. The Galaxy S10 will have a notch for the camera with infinity display. Samsung is launching triple camera for their flagship this time, while iPhone X has a dual 12MP camera. Samsung Galaxy S10 is expected to be available with 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and also a 512GB SD card slot. While iPhone X has 3GB RAM with 256 and 64GB storage option and no SD card. Galaxy S10 will have a latest Exynos 9 chipset while Apple has a 11 Bionic chipset. This time Samsung boosted the battery sizes with 3500 mAh battery while Apple has 2716 mAh battery. Galaxy S10 will be $200 less in price than the previous iPhone X. That is a masterpiece smartphone with slightly low price. Both smartphones have a better screen protection, with latest Gorilla Glass 5, and oleophobic coating respectively. Samsung will operate on latest Android Pie while iPhone X is running on iOS 11 with upgradability to latest iOS 12. Samsung S10 have option for dual hybrid SIM while Apple only supports single SIM set. Samsung Galaxy S10 have higher protection for dust and water with IP68 while iPhone still have IP67 protection. You can use any of these devices to pay any kind of bills as they do support mobile payment. Fortunately, both devices support the fast charging, with in-display fingerprint scanner for Galaxy S10 while iPhone X doesn't support fingerprint. Both devices have option for wireless charging. Both devices also have Face ID security while Galaxy S10 do not have iris scanner in the latest flagship. Galaxy S10 will be available in black, blue, grey and other colors. And iPhone X is available in space gray and silver color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, Galaxy S10 worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.